chickie! Hi, babies. Come on. Let's go out and find friends. Come on. Follow me like the Pied Piper. Go on. Go get it. I threw it over here already, silly. Here. There you go. Right here. Pointing like I point to the dogs. Does it work? Oh, yeah, it does. I think they're like, where's the mealworms, Mom? Yeah, that's only a nighttime treat, typically, to get them into the coop. Uh-oh. See what happens here. Is everything gonna be okay, or am I gonna have to go break up a fight? No? She's trying to jump on the roof like she sometimes does. Yeah? Alright, good. Success number 1. They didn't fight. They know where the good stuff is. Bird feeder right there. No matter how much I try to bribe them with food or pet them or whatever, they are very skittish. I found out that the khakis, that's just part of their breed. So I won't get to pet them as much as I get to pet my chickens. Darn it. Oh good, everybody's out. So we got the 3 bantams and the turkey. Oh, and here comes, hey buddy. Yeah. You running to me for safety? Those ducks really freak him out. Everybody's backwards. Perry's scared of the cat. Cat's scared of the ducks and chickens. Yeah, so weird. Anyway, this little white coop, I literally threw that together this past week out of scrap wood that my husband had. It is not pretty, but it serves a purpose to get the OG chickens used to the new chickens and the turkey before putting them all, or at least putting the turkey in the same coop as the big chickens. I think the bantams can live in this one for probably at least 6 months. It'll be perfect size for them. But with lumber prices being the way they are, I was not going to spend a small fortune to make a little coop. So literally pieced this thing together, created a little shade for them, and it's just pieces of wood that he had that I just mishmashed together. And so it looks ridiculous, but they have a little space back there. Not sure you can see. Hi guys! Hey turkey. Oh, DC's getting brave. How's that gonna go down? You okay? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay, buddy. Hey. Turkey's so sweet. 99.9% sure female by the noises she's making. So, anyway, got the temporary coop until lumber prices hopefully come down. She's looking for either DC or me to pet her. No, not me. I think she was wanting DC to come closer, and he's just a little skittish still. This cat, so chill. All these birds out, including the little ones, and he's just like, whatever, man. And he's a great mouser. I love him so much. There you go. Oh, now all of them are in there, chillaxing. I'm glad they really like it. Now if I can just keep the OG hens from picking on them. They picked on the turkey last week, although she has grown significantly since then, so maybe enough is enough with that. And she's a sweetheart too. Aren't you, baby? And the main one I have a problem with is Frito, the red hen. It's those redheads, man. They're the ones that pick on them. That's the one who's picked on the turkey. So, but we just need to introduce them slowly but surely so we don't have too much bullying going on. And these guys, I took them out of the coop every day, put them in the wading pool. They had plenty of water, swim time. They had a blast. They know how to do it. And twice now I've taken them out, thrown them in the big pond, and they just scooch right out. They want nothing to do with it. So, I don't know. I don't know how to get them to go in and use that. I've taken away the wading pool. They don't have that as an option. They just have a really large dog food, gosh, I cannot talk, water bowl. Oh, I'm getting a little brave. But I guess I don't know if they're gonna be swimmers. I mean, we are a swimming family. All my kids competitively swam. So of course, this is our second round of ducks. Oh, they're saying hi to the turkey. This is our second round of ducks that want nothing to do with the big pond. Go figure. So all I have to do is yell, chickie, 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 and the OG chickens come running. They were on the other side of the pond and they heard me yell that and came running. I'm really curious. Yeah, the ducks are, let's see what happens here. Oh, nope. I'm gonna head their way, and she's just gonna, that's probably Marge, the alpha hen, because we don't have a rooster. So when you don't have a rooster, one of your hens typically takes over that role. Hi, babe. Hi. Hello. So anyway, Marge up there, yeah, and it's definitely Marge. That is our alpha hen. She definitely is the boss lady. Huh. Huh, boss lady. Look at her, she's all puffed up and everything. Oh. Getting close to the cat. Nope. Like I've said in past videos, Lola, Lucy, and Lily, the two mallards, we still need to name, and I am still not sure. It's probably going to be a couple months before we figure out 100% if they are male or female. I don't have, excuse me, a name for the turkey or the 3 bantams. So if anybody has any suggestions, and I also, like I said, pretty sure the turkey's a female, but I could probably use some, and honestly, I don't care. If we have female names and it's a male, so what? Who cares? Or vice versa, or gender neutral, I don't care. But if anybody wants to start giving some suggestions, feel free to comment. We're all fighting over one eggshell that was left over. You want some more? Get it. Can you get those? There we go.